IBM Informix. Online training. Introduction to IBM Informix, Overview and History. IBM Informix is a robust database management system, DBMS, known for its reliability, performance, and low administration requirements. Here's an overview and history of IBM Informix. Overview. IBM Informix offers several key features. High performance. It is designed to handle large volumes of transactions and queries efficiently. Scalability. Informix scales well from small embedded systems to large enterprise data warehouse. Availability. It provides built-in high availability features to ensure data is always accessible. Flexibility. Supports a variety of programming interfaces and data types, including relational and object-relational data. Ease of administration. Known for its self-managing capabilities, reducing the need for constant database administration. History. 1979. The origins of Informix trace back to the pioneering work of Roger Sipple and Laura King in creating a relational database system. 1980s. The company Informix Software grew rapidly, focusing on the Relational Database Management System (RDBMS) market. 1990s. Informix became a significant player in the database industry, competing with Oracle and Sybase. It gained attention for its innovations in online transaction processing, OLTP, and data warehousing. 1997, IBM acquired Informix's database business, integrating it into its own portfolio of database products. 2001, IBM rebranded the Informix Dynamic Server, IDS, as IBM Informix to align it with its other software offerings. Present, IBM Informix continues to be used widely across industries, especially in sectors requiring high-performance OLTP and embedded database solutions. Key features and capabilities of IBM Informix. IBM Informix is a powerful relational database management system, RDBMS, known for its reliability, scalability, and performance in handling OLTP, online transaction processing, workloads. Here are some key features and capabilities of IBM Informix. High availability and data replication. Informix provides built-in support for high availability through features like automatic failover clustering, AFC, and shared disk secondary, SDS, servers. Data replication features enable real-time data synchronization between databases, ensuring data availability and disaster recovery. Time series data management. Informix has advanced capabilities for managing time series data, making it suitable for applications that deal with IoT, Internet of Things, data, financial data, and other time-sensitive data streams. Flexible data models. Supports relational and non-relational, NoSQL, data models, including JSON and BSON document storage. Allows for efficient storage and retrieval of semi-structured and unstructured data alongside traditional relational data. SQL and stored procedure support. Implements SQL standards and extends them with additional capabilities like spatial data types and functions. Supports stored procedures, triggers, and user-defined functions, UDFs, for enhancing application logic and performance. Scalability and performance. Informix is designed for high performance and scalability, capable of handling large volumes of transactions and concurrent users. Features like query optimization and parallel processing enhance performance in demanding environments. Security features provides robust security features including role-based access control, RBAC, data encryption, and auditing capabilities. Supports integration with enterprise security solutions for enhanced protection of sensitive data. Embedded database capabilities. Informix offers lightweight versions, Informix Embeddable Edition, suitable for embedding within applications or devices requiring a compact footprint and low resource consumption. High availability and disaster recovery in IBM Informix. High availability, and disaster recovery, DR, are critical considerations in any database management system, including IBM Informix. Here are some key aspects related to HA and DR in IBM Informix. High availability, HA, in IBM Informix. Failover mechanism. Informix supports automatic failover mechanisms where standby servers can take over in case of primary server failures. This ensures minimal downtime and continuous availability. Shared disk architecture. Informix can utilize shared disk architectures where multiple servers have access to shared storage. This enables quick failover since the standby server can quickly access the same data and continue operations. Clustered configurations. Informix supports clustered configurations using technologies like IBM Informix Flexible Grid. This allows multiple nodes to operate as a single, unified system, enhancing availability by distributing workloads and providing redundancy. Continuous availability. Informix includes features like HDR, High Availability Data Replication, and SDS, Shared Disk Secondary, to maintain continuous availability. HDR replicates data in real time to standby servers, ensuring data is always accessible even during server failures. Disaster recovery, DR, in IBM Informix. Backup and restore. Informix supports full, incremental, and logical backups. These backups are crucial for disaster recovery scenarios where data needs to be restored to a previous state quickly. Log shipping. Informix allows transaction logs to be shipped to remote locations. This enables remote recovery and ensures that data changes are preserved even if the primary data center is affected. Remote standby servers. Informix can maintain standby servers in remote locations, ensuring that in the event of a disaster at one site, operations can continue from another location with minimal data loss. Point-in-time recovery. Informix supports point-in-time recovery, allowing administrators to restore databases to a specific transaction timestamp. This capability is essential for recovering from logical errors or corruption without affecting other parts of the database. Best practices. Regular testing. Regularly test your HA and DR setups to ensure they function as expected during actual failures. Automated monitoring. Implement automated monitoring to detect failures and trigger failovers or DR processes promptly. Documentation and procedures. Maintain up-to-date documentation of HA and DR procedures. Ensure that your team is trained in executing these procedures effectively. IoT and time series data management with IBM Informix. IBM Informix is indeed a robust choice for handling IoT and time series data management. Informix offers several features that cater specifically to these needs. Time series data management. Informix provides specialized capabilities for managing time series data efficiently. It includes built-in support for time series data types, optimized storage structures, and efficient querying mechanisms that are crucial for handling large volumes of time-stamped data. IoT data integration. Informix supports seamless integration with IoT devices and sensors. It can ingest data streams from IoT devices directly, process them in real time, and store them efficiently. This capability is essential for IoT applications where real-time data processing and analytics are critical. High availability and scalability. Informix is known for its high availability and scalability features, making it suitable for IoT deployments that require continuous uptime and the ability to scale horizontally as data volumes grow. Built-in analytics and machine learning. Informix offers built-in analytics and machine learning capabilities, allowing you to perform advanced analytics directly on your IoT and time series data without needing to move data to external systems for analysis. Security and data protection. Informix provides robust security features to protect IoT and time series data. This includes encryption, access control, and data masking capabilities to ensure data privacy and compliance with regulatory requirements. Integration with other IBM products. Informix integrates well with other IBM products and solutions, such as IBM Watson IoT Platform, IBM Cloud Services, and IBM Analytics Solutions, providing a comprehensive ecosystem for IoT data management and analysis. Security features and best practices in IBM Informix. IBM Informix offers several security features and best practices to ensure data protection and system integrity. Here are some key aspects to consider. Security features. Authentication and authorization. Use strong authentication mechanisms such as LDAP, Kerberos, or operating system authentication for user access. Implement role-based access control, RBAC, to manage permissions effectively. Encryption. Encrypt data both at rest and in transit using industry-standard encryption algorithms, AES-256, SSL/TLS. Informix supports encryption of network connections using SSL/TLS and field-level encryption for sensitive data. Auditing and logging. Enable audit logging to track database activities and monitor access patterns. Use Informix's built-in auditing capabilities to maintain an audit trail for compliance and security investigations. Data masking. Implement data masking techniques to obfuscate sensitive data in non-production environments or when accessed by unauthorized users. Network security. Configure firewall rules and network segmentation to control access to Informix servers. Utilize IBM Informix's Secure Sockets Layer, SSL, support for secure communication between clients and servers. Database encryption. Use Informix's built-in database-level encryption features to protect sensitive data stored within the database. Best practices. Regular patching and updates. Keep IBM Informix and associated software components up to date with the latest security patches and updates to address vulnerabilities. Strong password policies. Enforce strong password policies for database users, including regular password changes and complexity requirements. Integration options. IBM Informix with IBM products and third-party solutions. Integrating IBM Informix with other IBM products and third-party solutions can greatly enhance its capabilities. Here are some integration options. IBM products. IBM DB2. Both Informix and DB2 can be integrated to provide a unified database management solution, leveraging strengths in different scenarios. IBM Cognos Analytics. Integration with Informix allows for robust reporting and analytics capabilities, leveraging Cognos business intelligence tools. IBM Watson Studio. Integration enables advanced analytics, machine learning, and AI capabilities on data stored in Informix. IBM Integration Bus, IIB, for seamless data integration across various applications and services, ensuring smooth data flow between systems. IBM InfoSphere Datastage, ETL, extract, transform, load, processes can be enhanced with Informix, ensuring efficient data movement and transformation. Third-party solutions. Apache Kafka. Integration via Kafka Connect for real-time data streaming and processing from Informix to other systems. Tableau allows for powerful data visualization and analytics on data stored in Informix, enhancing decision-making capabilities. Microsoft Power BI. Similar to Tableau, Power BI can be integrated with Informix for comprehensive business intelligence and reporting. Talent. ETL processes can be designed to extract data from Informix, transform it, and load it into other systems or data warehouse. Jaspersoft. Integration for embedded reporting and analytics capabilities within applications utilizing data from Informix. Integration considerations. Data consistency. Ensuring data integrity and consistency across integrated systems. Security. Implementing robust security measures to protect data during integration and transmission. Performance optimization. Tuning queries and data flows to maximize performance across integrated systems. Scalability. Designing integration solutions that can scale with growing data volumes and user demands. Scalability options and considerations in IBM Informix. Scalability in IBM Informix can be approached through several options and considerations. Sharding. Informix supports sharding, allowing data to be partitioned across multiple physical or virtual servers. This helps distribute workload and improve performance. Replication. Informix provides various replication modes. Example, high availability data replication, enterprise replication, for data redundancy and load balancing across servers. This enhances both scalability and fault tolerance. Clustering. Utilizing Informix's clustering capabilities helps in scaling horizontally by adding more nodes to the cluster, thereby increasing overall capacity and performance. Indexing. Proper indexing strategies are crucial for scaling read-heavy workloads. Informix supports different types of indexes, example B-tree, bitmap, to optimize query performance. Query optimization. efficient query planning and optimization are essential. Informix provides tools and mechanisms to analyze and fine-tune queries for better performance as the database scales. Storage optimization, choosing appropriate storage solutions, example SSDs for performance-critical data, and optimizing disk I/O operations can significantly impact scalability. Memory management, configuring memory buffers and caches appropriately ensures that frequently accessed data is readily available, thereby improving overall system scalability. Version considerations, keeping up to date with the latest versions of Informix ensures access to new scalability features and performance improvements introduced by IBM. Data consistency and transaction management in IBM Informix. In IBM Informix, ensuring data consistency and managing transactions are critical aspects of database management. Here are some key points. ACID properties. IBM Informix supports ACID, atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability, properties for transactions, ensuring that transactions are processed reliably and securely. Transaction isolation levels. Informix offers different levels of transaction isolation, like read uncommitted, read committed, repeatable read, serializable, to control how concurrent transactions interact with each other and maintain data consistency. Locking mechanisms. It employs various locking mechanisms to manage concurrent access to data, preventing conflicts and maintaining transaction integrity. Logging and recovery. Informix uses transaction logs to ensure durability, one of the ACID properties, allowing recovery to a consistent state after a system failure or crash. Transaction management commands. Informix provides SQL commands, begin work, commit, rollback, etc., to initiate, commit, or rollback transactions, enabling developers to control transaction boundaries explicitly. Concurrency control. Techniques like multi-version concurrency control, MVCC, are used to handle concurrent transactions efficiently without blocking or delaying others unnecessarily. Performance tuning. Optimizing transaction performance involves tuning database configuration parameters related to transaction management, such as buffer sizes, logging settings, and locking strategies. Real-time analytics and reporting with IBM Informix. Real-time analytics and reporting with IBM Informix leverage its capabilities to handle high-speed data streams and deliver insights with minimal latency. Here are some key aspects. Time series data management. IBM Informix is adept at managing time series data, making it suitable for applications that require continuous data ingestion and analysis, such as IoT environments. High performance. Informix is known for its high-performance capabilities, ensuring that real-time analytics queries are processed quickly even as data volumes increase. Flexible data models. It supports both relational and NoSQL data models, allowing flexibility in handling structured and unstructured data for real-time analytics. Integrated analytics. Informix integrates with IBM Watson Studio and other analytics tools to perform advanced analytics on real-time data, enabling predictive and prescriptive analytics. Event-driven architecture. Informix can be integrated into event-driven architectures, where it can process events as they occur and trigger real-time analytics workflows. Scalability and availability. It offers features like data replication, sharding, and high availability clusters to ensure scalability and reliability for real-time analytics applications. Data privacy and compliance in IBM Informix. Data privacy and compliance are critical aspects when using IBM Informix or any database system. Here are some considerations specific to IBM Informix. Data encryption. Ensure that sensitive data stored in IBM Informix databases is encrypted both at rest and in transit. IBM Informix supports encryption mechanisms to protect data confidentiality. Access control. Implement strict access controls to ensure that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive data stored in IBM Informix databases. Use role-based access control, RBAC, and least privilege principles. Auditing and monitoring. Enable auditing and monitoring features provided by IBM Informix to track access to sensitive data and changes made to the database schema or data records. This helps in detecting and responding to potential security incidents. Compliance standards. Ensure that IBM Informix configurations and practices comply with relevant data protection regulations and industry standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, or PCI DSS, depending on your organization's requirements. Data masking and anonymization. Use data masking and anonymization techniques to protect sensitive data in non-production environments or when sharing data for testing or analytics purposes. Data retention policies. Define and enforce data retention policies within IBM Informix to manage the life cycle of data and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements regarding data storage and deletion. Regular security assessments. Conduct regular security assessments and audits of your IBM Informix environment to identify and mitigate potential vulnerabilities or compliance gaps. Performance tuning strategies for IBM Informix. Indexing. Ensure tables are properly indexed based on query patterns. Use Create Index and consider unique, bitmap, or functional indexes where appropriate. Statistics. Keep statistics up to date using update statistics to help the query optimizer make efficient execution plans. Query optimization. Design queries to minimize resource consumption. Avoid unnecessary joins. Use Explain to analyze query plans and adjust as needed. Memory configuration. Configure shared memory, SMUD, virtual processors, VPCLAS, and buffer pools, buffers, according to workload and system resources. Logging and recovery. Balance logging levels, logging, transaction logs, LTAPE-DEV, and checkpoints, CKPTWIL, to optimize performance without compromising data integrity. Parallel processing. Utilize Informix parallel query, dynamic_join and enable_bloom_filter for multi-threaded query execution on appropriate hardware. Data fragmentation and placement. Use fragment by expression for efficient data distribution across storage devices. Monitor and manage data placement for optimal access. Storage optimization. Consider storage layout, example, RAID configurations, and disk I/O patterns to minimize latency and maximize throughput. Network configuration. Optimize network settings, NETTYP, NetBuf, LTXHWM, for efficient communication between clients and servers. Regular maintenance. Schedule regular maintenance tasks like reorganizing fragmented tables, reorg, updating statistics, and cleaning up unused objects. Multi-tenancy and workload management in IBM Informix. In IBM Informix, multi-tenancy and workload management are key capabilities that support efficient resource utilization and isolation among different tenants, clients, or applications. Here are some considerations for each. Multi-tenancy in IBM Informix. Virtualization of resources. Informix allows you to partition and virtualize resources such as databases and server instances to support multiple tenants. Each tenant operates as if they have their own dedicated instance, ensuring data isolation and security. Schema and data separation. Informix supports schema separation, allowing each tenant to have their own schema within shared databases. This helps in managing data segregation and access control. Performance isolation. Through workload management features, Informix can allocate and prioritize resources such as CPU, memory, and I/O among different tenants based on predefined policies. This ensures that one tenant's workload doesn't adversely affect others. Workload management in IBM Informix. Resource allocation. Informix provides mechanisms to allocate resources based on workload characteristics such as query complexity, frequency, and criticality. This helps in optimizing performance and ensuring consistent response times for different types of workloads. Query optimization. Informix includes query optimization techniques to efficiently execute queries from multiple tenants concurrently, minimizing contention and maximizing throughput. Monitoring and tuning. Informix offers monitoring tools to track resource usage and workload performance in real time. Administrators can use this data to fine-tune configurations and allocate resources more effectively. Flexible configuration. Administrators can configure workload management policies to dynamically adjust resource allocations based on changing workload patterns and business priorities. Integration with IBM Cloud. For cloud deployments, Informix integrates with IBM Cloud Park for data, providing additional capabilities for workload management and multi-tenancy in hybrid cloud environments. Why choose ProExcellency for IBM Informix online training? Choosing ProExcellency for IBM Informix online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency likely offers training conducted by experienced professionals who have in-depth knowledge of IBM Informix. This ensures that you receive high-quality instruction and practical insights. Comprehensive curriculum. They are likely to provide a well-structured curriculum that covers all aspects of IBM Informix, including real-world applications, best practices, and advanced topics like IoT and time series data management. Hands-on experience. Their training programs may include hands-on labs and projects, allowing you to gain practical experience working with IBM Informix databases and tools. Flexibility. Online training with ProExcellency offers flexibility in terms of timing and location, allowing you to learn at your own pace and convenience without the need to travel. Certification preparation. They may offer certification preparation courses, helping you to prepare effectively for IBM Informix certification exams if that's your goal. Support and resources. ProExcellency may provide additional support such as access to resources, forums, and community networks to enhance your learning experience and address any queries or challenges you encounter. Thank you.